Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing video. Okay, I ordered some skincare items from Jumia and it has arrived, so let's just go ahead and do the unboxing together. I really hope you do enjoy this video and give me a thumbs up if you do. Let's just go ahead and get started. There are the 3 items. So we are starting off with this. Let me get a knife. Just cut it open. Okay. This is the first item. The receipt. Wow, the seller even added some chocolate. A chocolate. That's so sweet of the vendor. She added a bounty chocolate. This is the receipt. Let's open this. I don't even know which is this. Cut it open. Yeah, I took the sunscreen. Oh, wow. Cute packaging. Can you see that, you guys? It's so cute, okay? I'm just going to open this. And then, look what we have here. Can you see? Aquason Gel. Okay. This product I have not... This is from Misha. I have not used this product before, but this is my first time buying this sunscreen. I really hope it is nice. I bought because of the reviews. I read about it. People that have bought it from Jumia left a nice reviews about this product. How it has about 75 5 stars. So it's worth trying, you guys. I really hope it is what they say it is. I love that they said it doesn't leave any white cast or residue. So I can't wait to try this. Okay. Yeah. And I love that it is SPF 50 plus. Amazing. Yeah, moving over to the second box. Oh, okay. This is the face cleanser. Yeah. This is from Neutrogena. So you guys, here it is, Hydro Boost Cleanser from Neutrogena. It has hyaluronic acid. I really like this a lot. It's very soft and then salting. This is my second bottle of this. You can see the first one is almost over. Okay. Yeah, this is the first one I used. Their products are really nice. I like how this feels in the skin. It's so soft and then boosts hydration to the skin. I really like it a lot, so that's why I'm going for the second bottle. Yeah, you guys. And then this is the third and the final box. Okay, I think this one has the ordinary products. This is the receipt. Yep, here it is. This is from the Ordinary. I really like Ordinary products. Yeah, you can see the first one is this niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is really nice, you guys. I love it a lot because this helps in pigmentations, regulation of sebum buildup, as well as helping reducing the appearance of pores on the face. I have used this before. This is the first bottle. I can see small is remaining. I didn't want it to run like dry, so I ordered it again. It is really nice. Yeah, their products are really nice. I love it a lot. This is the other one I was using again. This is retinol 1% in squarelines. Okay, it is also okay. This is for like controlling the fine lines on the face. Yeah, this is really nice. I love the Ordinary brand. Okay, the second one is AHA. The peeling solution. This is that one that looks like blood. Yeah, you guys, this is I have not really used this before. I've not used this particular one before, so I hope it is what they said it is. Yeah, this is like a chemical exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells, and I hope it is nice as well as this. Although I trust their brand, so I have no fear. Yeah. So this is the third one. This is alpha albutin. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It also has oh sorry you guys, hydroloric acid. This focuses on discoloration, fading of dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. Generally, it helps in brightening up the skin. Yeah, making your skin to glow. I've not used this one as well before. Yeah, like I told you, this is the only two products I have used from the Ordinary brand, and I really loved it. So that is decided to go more further and buy more. Okay, so this is my favorite, you guys. This is my favorite. I like this a lot. So that's all that I have got from Jumia. This and this, that is what we have just unboxed now. Okay, there's one more product I bought. Okay, let me remove the price tag. This is from St. Ives. Okay, this is for blackhead clearing scrub. This has a salicylic acid. It's for scrubbing your face, and they promise that it doesn't unclog pores. In case I don't use this, yeah, because I'm not going to be using this every day, so I'll just go ahead and scrub with this one. I have not tried this before as well. This is my first time trying it. I just got this one, not from Jumia. I got it from a supermarket in my area. Okay, yeah, I don't think I need this one, but I don't want to be using this particular one every day. Yeah, it's not meant to be using every day, so I guess I'll be alternating it with this. Yeah. So guys, I will show you how I use these products in a skincare routine video, how I layer them to my skin, okay, and also a review. All right, that's all for this video. I hope you do like it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.